Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring high with two drones that promise to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the Holystone HS360S, and on the right, the Gleesfun G11 Mini. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be hilarious and maybe a little controversial. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. Holystone HS360S will set you back $209. It's like paying for a fancy dinner date, minus the awkward small talk. In contrast, Gleesfun G11 Mini is priced at $299, almost $100 more. For that price, you might expect it to fly you to the moon and back, or at least do your laundry. Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. Holystone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor, capturing stunning 3,840 by 2,160p photos and videos. Reviewers love its impressive video quality and stable flight, making it a mini Christopher Nolan in your pocket. On the other hand, Gleesfun G11 Mini also flaunts a 4K camera but with a twist, 2.7K at 50 FPS or 4K at 25 FPS. This gives you the option to choose between high resolution and high frame rate, making you feel more artsy. Reviewers appreciate its reliable video connection and good camera resolution. Battery life is where things get interesting. Holystone offers a 20-minute flight time, just enough to capture your neighbor's barbecue without them noticing. Reviewers find it stable and easy to use, but wish for a second battery. Gleesfun G11 Mini, however, comes with not one, but TWO batteries, providing a total of 60 minutes of flight time. That's an entire episode of your favorite TV show. Reviewers love its long-lasting batteries and reliable return-to-home feature. Now, for all you beginners out there, Holystone has a user-friendly control system with beginner mode and optical flow positioning. It's basically the training wheels of drones, and reviewers find it easy to fly, even in windy conditions. Gleesfun G11 Mini also caters to novices with beginner mode and smart GPS features like follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and the app's simplicity, making it a drone that's your bestie and stalker rolled into one. Holystone comes with some cool tricks up its sleeve, like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. Reviewers enjoy its fun features and advanced photography options. Gleesfun G11 Mini, however, has a camera shield for extra durability. Reviewers find it performs well even in cold weather and appreciate its durable design, making it perfect for those with terrible flying skills. Holystone offers a whopping 10,000 feet long-range transmission and a return-home function. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Reviewers praise its long transmission range, making it ideal for real estate photography. Gleesfun G11 Mini has a more modest range of 1,640 feet, but comes with auto return to home. Reviewers find it easy to control and suitable for hobbyists of all ages, making it the boomerang of drones, throws itself out and comes right back. Reviewers generally find the Holystone HS360S to be a great entry-level drone with impressive video quality, stable flight, and user-friendly features. It's particularly praised for its affordability and suitability for beginners. The Gleesfun G11 Mini, on the other hand, is appreciated for its advanced features, long-lasting batteries, and durable design. While it's pricier, it offers a range of functionalities that make it a favorite among hobbyists. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS360S versus the Gleesfun G11 Mini. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like your exes. If you're on a budget and want a solid performer, Holy Stone is your pick. If you're willing to splurge a bit for extra flight time and durability, go for Gleesfun. Remember, no matter which drone you choose, the sky is the limit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly smart and buy smart. See you next time. Product links are in the description.